Hi you guys, I'm Mala. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is a foundation review. Today I'm excited because this is one of my all-time favorite foundations. It's Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place, and I love this foundation. This is the bottle. How beautiful is that? Now, this does not, however, come with a pump, which is the only thing I dislike about it. This is the original cap, and this is something that I had to buy because there was no pump. And see, you can use it without a pump, but the only thing is that it's very probable that one day you will be taking out some foundation, and because it's a liquid foundation you will pour out way too much, and then it's one, wastage of product, two, it becomes very messy, and three, it's just inconvenient to pour it every single time you want to use it. So I feel it's better to invest in a pump and make your life easier, though you can continue to use it without a pump too. It's a beautiful glass bottle. It does become slightly more heavy than plastic bottles, but it's so beautiful, I don't mind. Also, this particular pump that I have, anytime a foundation does not have a pump, I usually get the MAC pump because it's compatible with a lot of foundations. So the MAC pump is compatible with Estee Lauder. It is also compatible with Maybelline, especially the Fit Me foundation. So that is a pump that goes with a lot of brands, with a lot of other brands' foundations. And now let's get into the application bit, and I'm gonna put it on my face and show you how it is, and then I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. I hope you liked the application bit. So with one coat, it does cover most of the problem areas. If you want to go in with the second coat, you can. Otherwise, I mostly keep it at one coat. This is a foundation that dries to a super matte finish. And if you apply it all over your face and neck like you do with a lot of foundations, it will not be good. It will just dry on those dots and you will be really rubbing it. Just go section by section. It dries very quickly, and then it becomes really hard to merge and blend, and that is the reason a lot of people do not like this product, because they don't go section by section. And the reviews say that, by the time I was gonna blend it, it had already dried on my skin. That is the reason. It is a long wear foundation, and it lasts that long because it just locks in there. So go section by section. It will be great. Try it out. In fact, you can just get a sample to begin with to test your shade, to see if you like the product, and then probably you can think about investing. But it is a very good foundation. I will read the packaging before getting into other details. Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup SPF 10 for all skin types. 24-hour staying power, looks fresh and flawless, feels lightweight and so comfortable, you won't believe it's long wear. Won't change color, smudge or come off on clothes, lasts through the heat and humidity, medium to full coverage, matte finish, it will not clog pores, it's oil controlling, oil free, fragrance free, dermatologically tested. Guys, the foundation is for 3,300 rupees. The pump that I purchased is for 850 or 900 rupees, and it is in the shade 3W2 Cashew. I'll tell you about the foundation now. So they are right when they say it is very, very long wear, and I have personally worn it for 18 to 20 hours and it did very well. It did not budge, it did not discolor. Alright, so guys, even though this is one of my favorite foundations of all times, there are one or two points that I'm not the biggest fan of. First of all, the foundation is medium to full coverage. So one coat of foundation will not give you full coverage. It will give you medium coverage, which honestly is more than enough most of the days. It's fine most of the days, but if you have breakouts that particular day or you have some marks that you want to cover, then you have to go in for a second coat. The other thing is that it can look a little mask-like, if you know what I mean. If you go in with a second coat, one coat is fine, but if you put in a second coat, then please make sure that you do your contouring and your highlighting. Otherwise, it does become slightly mask-like and very one tone and very obvious makeup-y look. You know that look when you are obviously wearing a big thick layer of foundation. So it will cover everything with a second layer, but it will look a little, well, not natural, let's say. So just add a little contouring and bring back the shadows in your face where they're supposed to be, and then it'll be absolutely fine. I love how it, like it says, it minimizes pores. It really does. The appearance of it, it cannot minimize pores. It does minimize the appearance of pores. And guys, it is amazing how matte this foundation is. It dries to such a matte finish that you do not need any setting powder with it. In fact, if you go in with a powder, you might regret it, because it is already matte finish, and then you put powder on top of it, it will become very cakey and dry. And it is super long wear, it is super matte, it is a very good foundation. It is one of my all-time favorites. I highly recommend it to you guys. Also, it is not a sponsored video, there's no brand affiliation. On my shoots, I have used it so many times, and like literally you don't have to think about touch-ups. Like that whole concept in our minds, right? Oh, it's so hot outside, let me check my makeup. Oh, it's really humid, let me just check my makeup. You don't need to check your makeup. It is not gonna budge. So yes, no pump is something we really don't like, but other than that, it is a fabulous product. I believe from the Estee Lauder cosmetic / makeup line, it is their most successful and popular product, and that is for a reason. I love it and I highly recommend it. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you have any questions, any queries, any suggestions, please, as always, you're most welcome. Talk to me in the comment section. I will be back very soon with more videos, you guys, and till then, consider subscribing to my channel, please. Pretty please. Alright you guys, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.